Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. One kurta with 10 ways to style. So let's go ahead. So let's go to style number one. So the style number one is with the kurta. Normally what people wear is this probably a palazzo. Most of the time we'll see palazzo, and so this one, this palazzo, it's you can see the cut work over here, very detailed cut work, and it's very pretty. And definitely when you pair up this and this, oh my god, it's, and that's all most of the people do. Yes, this is very classic, and you can just go ahead with this look with a red lipstick, or maybe the color of your the lipstick, whatever you feel. But yes, you can go with this. So this is our look number one. Okay, so let's go ahead with look number two now. Same kurta, but we are going to style up with the culottes. So the culottes is, so normally culottes are, they look like plazos, but they are not plazos. They are very wide. You can see they are very wide in their bottoms, and the length should be just above the ankle, probably 2 to 3 inch, or maybe 3 to 4 inch above the ankle, and that's how. So this one is actually a very multi-purpose culottes, and this you can style it as a western costume also. This, if you want, I will show one separate video based upon this culotte, how to style and pair it up in different ways later. But yes, right now I'm talking about with this kurta, the culotte definitely will look awesome. Yes, so this was our look number two. Now let's go to look number three. So what's on look number three? As we were talking about the palazzo and the culotte, so this is one thing which actually goes very well with the white kurta. This white kurta is actually, we all know that neutral color and white color goes with everything, but this print and this indigo blue and this print, definitely it's wow. You just wear this with, and definitely it's going to be a wow. And yes, it's a wow factor. I'll just remove it. So this palazzo itself, it has a belt, and definitely with this kurta, it's going to be great combo. Yes, so this is our look number three. So again, this palazzo I have paired with western tops as well. If you want, I can show the if you want, I might make some other videos related to this, and you can go ahead. So that was our look number three. Now let's go ahead with look number four. Look number four, come on, let's have some colors. So some colors in our costume. I'll take red. Look at this, the red color with the white. It's definitely yes. And yes, this is cigarette pant. You can wear a palazzo or cigarette pant, anything what you feel. So white and red palazzo. But if you want, you can go with this kind of dupatta as well. So with dupatta or without dupatta, that's your choice. But even with this also, it really looks good. With this and a pair of chunky earrings, or maybe a neck piece, any one accessory you can wear with this, and yes, you are good to go. So this accessory, this earrings, definitely it's good to go. So this was our look number four. Let's go to our look number five. What can be better than this kalamkari work? Oh my god, this kalamkari work, it's my one of the favorite print, and I love this print. And yes, this kalamkari print, actually it's a cigarette pant. So along with this, yes, it's going to be very classic, and very classic, and yes, it's going to be very classic. And yes, if you really want to add some pop-up color on your face, so near your face, so yes, you can just match these earrings along with this, and yes, it's really going to be very good. So this was our look number 5. Let's go to now look number 6. Okay, look number 6, white and black, always a great combo, trust me. So whatever it is, a plazo or a cigarette pant, I do pair my पैंट ऑल्सो, द नॉर्मल पैंट, हम जो फॉर्मल पैंट्स पहनते हैं ना, वो भी मैं कभी कभी पैर अप कर लेती हूँ, पता ही नहीं चलता लोगों को, बट येस, फॉर्मल पैंट्स भी आपके पास ब्लैक है तो इसके साथ पहन लो, इट वुड रियली लुक स्मार्ट. सो येस, दिस विद दिस वेरी गुड, डेफिनेटली अ ग्रेट मैच, एंड यू शुड गो विद दिस. इसके साथ अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन गो विद द दुपट्टा एज वेल. नाउ लुक एट दिस. So now you tell me, this kurta with this plazo and this dupatta, it's going to be killer. Wow. And yes, क्योंकि इसकी बॉर्डर में पिंक है तो आप पिंक लिपस्टिक लगा लो. Yes, so either with dupatta or without dupatta, that's your choice. So this is our look number 5 and 6. Yeah. Okay. Yes, so I'm going to show now another look. So remaining 4 looks I'm going to show you. So yes, so this is our kurta, the same white kurta, and now many a times it happens, people are so confused, they feel कि golden color और white kurta कैसे जाएगा. Yes, trust me, they are like brother and sister. ये जाएगा, बिल्कुल जाएगा. और डेफिनेटली इसके साथ भी अगर आप इफ़ यू वांट, यू कैन एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ट्रेडिशनल लुक अगर आपको देना है, इफ यू रियली वांट टू गिव अ लिटिल हैवी लुक. सी फॉर अ नॉर्मल, यू कैन से फॉर एग्जांपल, if it's a formal wear, then this look is really good. Daily wear या formal wear, then this is really good. But if you want to go ahead with some kind of traditional, थोड़ा सा और ट्रेडिशनल उसमें टच देना है, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन वेयर दिस दुपट्टा. This has this amazing gotapatti work and also chikankari work. This is really amazing dupatta. This can be paired with anything out there, but yes, white के साथ तो oh my god, look at this. These are like made for each other. कौन बोलेगा ये अलग अलग pieces है, but yes. So this is one of the kind of dupattas everyone should have. इसके मैं आगे भी कुछ वीडियोस बनाऊंगी जो हमें कोई किस तरीके से और भी स्टाइल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस वाज आवर अनदर लुक. ये जैकेट का थोड़ा करते हैं. सो वाइट कुर्ते के साथ ये रेड जैकेट विथ सेम थिंग जो हमारा क्यूलोट्स था, या सेम थिंग जो हमारा जो चिकन वाला हमारा जो जो प्लाजो था, दैट प्लाजो ऑल्सो यू कैन पेयर इट अप विद दिस, एंड द वाइट प्लाजो विद वाइट कुर्ता एंड दिस रेड जैकेट. surely it's going to steal the show. Trust me, it's going to steal the show. Which is the go print nowadays. इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It's like, and this is a dual thing. Dual side है, इस तरीके से भी खोल सकते हैं. The other side also. And yes, simply you have to just pair it up with a plazo or a culotte or a cigarette pant, and yes, with this jacket. So this is our another look. This is this is something which is very dear and near for every girl and every woman out there. So yes, a bandage dupatta, maybe one color dupatta or maybe a multicolor dupatta, but bandage always is good to go. And yes, it is our classic piece in our wardrobe. So you can see this is something. This is orange color and this white small booties. So you can go with booties or bandage. Yeah. So this definitely is going to be one of the classics. Yes, you can wear just jhumkas with this oxidized chunky earrings, and yes, the other time I showed you. So this kind of jhumka, maybe it has some color of the similar dupatta, or maybe this kind of jhumka, or maybe just jhumka with lipstick, and that's all. You're sorted. And this is our another look. Kind of you can say scarf or dupatta. Now scarf, you can take this as a scarf or a dupatta along with this blue jeans. How can I miss my kurta without the jeans? So yes, this is really very smart. The jeans with the kurta and with the stole, trust me, it's huge. Uh, crazy look. And if you don't want to take this stole, still it is okay. Yes, so my jeans with my kurta has to be very one of the favorite looks. That was all in this video. I really look forward that you will like my video, and yes, you will give a lot of good comments, and anything you want to know related to different colors or different fusion wear or different kind of outfits or styles and fashion, please let me know. Please comment below and please let me know.